Hello and welcome. Today we talk about a very simple but very important topic. We talk about saying sorry, and we talk about saying thank you. This is real English for real life. You use this every day. At home, at work, at school, in shops, with friends, with family. Emily is here. Paul is here. Hello everyone, I am Emily.
Hi everyone, I am Paul.
We are very happy you are here.
Yes, very happy.
Today, we help you feel calm and confident.
You can speak English politely.
You can be kind in English.
You can do this.
Let us start with a small problem.
A real problem.
Imagine this. You are in a shop. You walk fast. You hit someone. Oh no.
Or you forget something. You are late. Your friend is waiting.
Or someone helps you. They open the door. They give you food.
In these moments, you need words.
Simple words.
Kind words.
Today, we learn these words.
Slowly.
Calmly. First, we talk about saying sorry.
Sorry is a very important word.
We say sorry when we do something bad.
Or when we make a small mistake.
Let us start very easy.
The first word is sorry.
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 Please say it with us.
Repeat after me.
Sorry. Very good. Again. Sorry. Sorry is a kind word.
Sorry shows you care.
You can use sorry in many places.
On the bus.
In the street. At work. Let us use it in a sentence.
A very short sentence.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Repeat after me.
I'm sorry.
Again. I'm sorry. Very nice.
Good job.
I'm sorry is very common.
People say it all the time.
You can say I'm sorry when you are late.
Like this. I'm sorry I am late.
I'm sorry I am late. Repeat after us.
I'm sorry I am late.
Good.
Very good.
You can also say sorry when you touch someone.
Like in a bus.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Short is okay.
Short is polite.
Now listen carefully.
Some people say sorry too fast.
Not this, sorry.
But this, sorry.
Slow. Clear. Let us practice again.
Repeat after me.
Sorry. Nice.
One more time.
Sorry. Now another sorry phrase.
This one is very friendly.
I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry.
This means you feel bad.
You feel more sorry.
Repeat after me.
I'm really sorry.
Again.
I'm really sorry.
Good. You sound kind. Use this when the mistake is big.
Or when feelings are strong.
Example.
I'm really sorry, I forgot.
Repeat.
I'm really sorry, I forgot.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now let us talk about another phrase.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
This is very common.
Repeat after me.
Sorry about that.
Again.
Sorry about that.
You can use it for small things.
Like a small problem.
For example,
You send the wrong message.
sorry about that.
Easy and polite.
Now a small practice.
Listen and repeat.
I'm sorry.
Sorry about that.
I'm really sorry.
Your turn.
Pause. Very good.
You are doing great.
Now let us see a small conversation.
Emily and I talk.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
I am late.
Oh,
I say, I'm sorry, I am late.
I say, that's okay.
Thank you.
Simple.
Now we move to thank you.
Thank you is also very important.
We say thank you when someone helps us.
Or when someone is kind.
The first phrase is easy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Repeat after us.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you.
Very good. Nice and clear. You can also say thanks.
Thanks is short.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Repeat. Thanks. Good. Both are okay. Thank you is a little more polite.
Thanks is more casual.
Now another phrase.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Repeat.
Thank you very much.
Again. Nice.
Very polite.
You can use it in shops, with strangers. Another phrase.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Repeat.
Thanks a lot.
Good. Now listen.
Do not say thank you very much.
Not this, but this.
Thank you very much.
Simple. Let us practice with examples.
Daily life examples.
Someone opens the door.
You say thank you.
Someone gives you water.
You say thanks.
Someone helps you a lot.
You say thank you very much.
Now repeat after me.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Great.
You sound polite.
Now let us put sorry and thank you together.
This is very useful.
Example.
You are late.
I'm sorry. Thank you for waiting.
Very nice.
Repeat after me.
I'm sorry, thank you for waiting.
Excellent.
Very natural.
Now a longer conversation.
Listen first.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
I'm really sorry. I am late.
That's okay.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
This is real English.
Very real.
Now your turn.
Repeat slowly.
I'm really sorry.
Thank you for waiting.
Good. Nice work. Now we show common mistakes.
This is important.
Mistake 1.
Saying nothing.
Not this. Silence.
But this, say sorry.
Mistake 2.
Saying sorry, thank you together fast.
Not this. 3. Thank you.
But this, sorry.
Sorry. Pause. Thank you.
Clear.
Mistake 3.
Saying sorry too much.
Not every time.
Only when needed.
Now let us practice again.
Repeat after us slowly.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Sorry about that.
Thanks a lot.
Very good. You are learning fast. Now one more long practice.
Real lifestyle.
You are in a cafe.
The worker brings coffee.
You say, thank you.
The coffee falls.
You say, I'm sorry.
Simple.
English is not scary.
English is friendly.
Remember this.
Short words are okay.
Kind words are enough.
You do not need big words.
Let us recap.
Say it again.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
English is practice.
Everyday practice.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for listening.
We are proud of you.
See you next time.
Before we finish, let us practice more.
Yes, more practice helps your memory.
Imagine small moments again.
Very small moments.
You walk in a room.
You touch a chair.
The chair moves.
You say sorry.
Easy.
Very easy.
Another moment.
Someone gives you a pen.
You say thank you.
Or thanks.
Both are good.
Both are polite.
Now listen and repeat slowly.
Repeat after Emily.
Sorry. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Good.
Very calm.
Now we speak together.
Like real people.
Paul, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry, I dropped this.
That's okay.
This is real life English.
Short and kind.
Many learners feel shy.
That is okay.
You do not need perfect English.
You need kind English.
People understand kindness.
Even with simple words.
Now one more common phrase.
Very useful.
Thank you so much.
This is very friendly.
Repeat after me.
Thank you so much.
Again,
Thank you so much.
use this with friends.
Or family.
Example.
Your friend helps you study.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Now practice sorry again.
New example.
You forget a call.
You say, I'm really sorry.
Repeat.
I'm really sorry.
Good.
Very natural.
Sometimes people say only, sorry, sorry.
That is okay in small moments.
But for bigger things, say more.
Like this.
I'm really sorry. Thank you for understanding.
Very kind.
Repeat slowly.
I'm really sorry. Thank you for understanding.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now let us help your memory.
We repeat again.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Thanks a lot.
I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
You hear these words every day.
On TV.
On the phone.
In the street.
Listen for them.
Copy them.
Now one more long conversation.
Listen and feel the rhythm.
Hi, Paul. Sorry I am late.
That's okay. Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem at all.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it means thank you.
It is a little longer
You can say it later.
when you feel ready.
Beginners can stay simple.
Simple is good.
Now check yourself.
Ask in your head.
Can I say sorry?
Yes, you can.
Can I say thank you?
Yes, you can.
You already know English.
You are using it now.
Do not be afraid.
Be kind to yourself.
Mistakes are okay.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Every day.
English is not about perfect.
English is about connection.
Saying sorry connects people.
Saying thank you connects people.
These words open hearts.
Simple hearts.
Let us say them one last time.
Together.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thanks.
I'm really sorry.
Thank you very much.
Great job.
You did amazing.
Take this confidence with you.
Use it today.
Say sorry when you need.
Say thank you often.
People will smile.
You will smile too.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you for learning English.
We believe in you.
See you again very soon.